Hello students, how are you? Dear students, in previous video we discussed the hydrocarbon, especially the types of hydrocarbon, aliphatic and aromatic, saturated and unsaturated, and some information, naming rules, and other part of alkane, alkene and alkyne. And today we discuss some other content of hydrocarbon. So alkanes, number one, start to alkanes. As we know, alkanes from a hydrocarbon series of hydrocarbon having the general chemical formula is CnH2n plus 2, since they are relatively inert towards chemical reagent, and especially they are also called paraffins. Latin parum means little and affins means affinity or saturated hydrocarbon. And the principal source of alkanes are petroleum and natural gases, and all alkanes can commercial obtained by the fractional distillation of crude or petroleum oil. And the properties, so especially properties we discuss two parts: physical properties and chemical property. So first we discuss two physical properties. So the first number, the first four members of alkanes series, methane to butane means methane, ethane, propane and butane. These all four members are gases. And next 13 pentane to heptadecane are a liquid, and those that contain 18 carbon atom or more are solid. Number 2 point, the melting point and the boiling points of alkane increase with increase in molecular mass, means just be increasing the numbers of constitute particles. That means the numbers of masses are increased. When the masses are increased, also the melting and boiling point of alkanes increase. Number third point, they are practically non-polar molecules, means these types of contain, especially they are non-polar, and alkanes are lighter than water. And number fifth point, they are soluble in non-polar solvent like that benzene, carbon, tetrachloride, but insoluble in polar solvent like that alcohol and water. So here alcohol and water is a polar solvent. So these types of alkane means saturated hydrocarbon are not dissolved and insoluble and soluble to some types of polar solvent like that benzene, carbon, tetrachloride. So this is the physical properties of alkane. Now we discuss two chemical properties of alkane. So the first point, combustion. So combustion means burn, and burn means in the presence of oxygen. These types of alkane when react to oxygen. So when alkane are burned in excess of air or oxygen, they produce a blue flame and are completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water with the evolution of large amounts of heat. Means these types of hydrocarbon when they react to oxygen, means air. So normally these types of alkane means hydrocarbon completely convert in carbon dioxide and water. Means suppose CnH2n plus 2 plus O2 means oxygen. So after that reaction, it's form C6 CO2 and H2O. And also these types of hydrocarbon when burn, they produce a blue flame, large amount. Number two, substitution reaction. So substitution reaction, that means in this types of reaction, one or more hydrogen atom of alkane are replaced by more reactive atom of group of the atoms. It means just hydrogen, the hydrocarbon, suppose the first member is methane, CH4. So this CH4, when remove one numbers of hydrogen, so after that the new contain is cs3. So this cs3 remove this cs3 when added to any other types of member means highly reactive. So this highly reactive member are replaced to hydrogen atom and set to this particular places. So this is the substitution reaction. Like that, for example, nitration. So alkanes undergo nitration when treated with forming nitric acid in 475 degrees Celsius. Means methane, suppose CH4. So CH4 react to nitric acid means HNO3. So just nitric acid and methane. Methane, that means C, single bond, single bond, single bond, single bond, means the tetravalency. And this tetravalency fulfilled with the help of hydrogen 1, 2, 3, and 4. And also the nitric acid means HO and NO2. So after that reaction, they make nitromethane means CH3 and NO2, and the other product is H2O. And second is halogenation. So halogenation, that means if any saturated hydrocarbon, one hydrogen atom are replaced with the help of halogen member. Halogen means in the modern periodic table group number 17, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and St. So these types of member, when removed to one numbers of hydrogen in same amounts of halogen member. So this process is called halogenation. For example, CH4. So CH4 is a methane. When react to fluorine or chlorine or bromine, means Cl, FCl or Br, and the new product is formed like that. Suppose CH4 react to F, and after that reaction it's formed CH3, F, and HF. Suppose CH4 react to chlorine, so CH4 plus Cl2, after that CH3, Cl, and HCl. Suppose Br2 react to Br2 in a hydrocarbon, so CH4 plus Br2 equal CH3Br plus HBr. So this all types of process is a example of substitution reaction. So this is the second chemical properties of alkane, and other chemical properties we discuss to next video. Okay, thank you.